So I'm so excited to share this resource with you. It's rare that I come upon a resource and immediately do a blog post anymore, but when I found out about the Homework Help Desk, I just had to immediately write about it. So this blog post will be short, but I just want to show you through visuals how great it is. So welcome to the Help Desk. I did another video showing you the chat feature on how you can instantly get questions and answers, or answers for your questions right there in the chat feature. But then I started exploring the site just a little bit more and I was like, they've got math and language arts help. What is this all about? So I started looking, a filter by topic, filter by grade. So as a second grade teacher, I was like, let me just click on second grade and see what they have to offer. So I was like, okay, decompose a number, number bonds, all right, regrouping. I was like, well, let's see what else they have. Regrouping and subtraction, frames and arrows. Oh, that's certainly something that my kids could use help with, especially with our everyday math program. Input-output table. Well, we definitely have function boxes, and that confuses some kids. So let me just see what this link is. So I clicked on it. And then all of a sudden it went to another resource that I'm quite familiar with, which is watchknowlearn.org. And it's a video, briefly a tutorial showing exactly what this is.
It just says that if you
I'm just skipping
42
ahead.
plus 3 is
So she goes ahead and explains it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's great, a short little 3-minute video to help clarify at home. So then I was like, well, what does the practice look like? So I clicked on it, and again, it brought me to another familiar resource, IXL, which I love. They're one of the partners for the blog. So I can see the rule, is to add 211. This might be a little advanced. I would like to see some differentiation for practice, because for my second graders, like we usually deal with like adding 6 or -2, or sometimes, adding and subtraction if there's 2 rules, but for frames and arrows. But I'm like, 211, that might be kind of difficult for some of my kids. Of course, they can get pen and paper because when in doubt, draw it out. But I'm like, I don't know. But nonetheless, it does have a link for homework. So I was like, what about some of the language arts help? I wonder what that consists of. So I decided to click on that for a moment. And then I was like, oh, this might be great for grammar, because as a second grade teacher, you guys know that it's really difficult to find great grammar resources. So I clicked on second grade just to see, and I was like, oh, compound complex sentence. And I was like, well, what about for reading? Uh-oh, no resources. So maybe they're still adding, but nonetheless, let's see about grammar. Plural, singular, compound. So they definitely have a lot of resources. It looks like hopefully they're still adding more, but the content looks amazing. It looks like their math might be a little bit more built up for right now. So, and having a kindergartner, or first grader, oh my gosh, and his birthday's today. I can't believe I just said kindergarten. But it goes into fact families and all of this great stuff. So I love that it has the links and the practice available for kids to use. So even base 10 blocks. And it brings you to just a variety of different website resources. I went to one earlier that was to Khan Academy, and then of course you saw the Watch Know Learn one, and then this one is to YouTube. Let's see what this practice goes to. IXL again, of course, because they're a really robust, great resource. So you can kind of see just the type of resources, but what a great opportunity to just share this with parents, because it's super user-friendly, and I love, you'll have to watch the other video for like the question and how quick and easy that was too.